Hey everybody, it's Grant, and today we have some mind-blowing numbers for you. We are taking a tour from a friend of mine's $55 million subdivision, and he stands to make $13 million when it's completely developed. So if you haven't seen it yet, we have some amazing news right before we get into my friend's amazing portfolio. But when it all comes down to it, we have just been featured on the Graham Stephan Show. So if you haven't seen it, I'll drop a link below. Graham was an amazing host. It was an amazing time and a truly humbling experience. If you're here from the Graham Stephan Show because of his shout out, thank you so very much for tuning in, watching these videos. Please drop a comment and don't forget to power up that like button for the almighty YouTube algorithm. For those of you that are tuning in for the very first time, I am a 30-year-old real estate investor who is also the director of a large automotive group. When it all comes down to it, I started out my real estate journey only when I was 18 years old, ended up buying my first apartment shortly after realizing that instead of letting someone else make this profit, I should start trying to build from the ground up. I ended up having a lot of positive experiences in my life that led to a lot of my successes. So by watching my brother build his, I decided build me a duplex, live on one side, rent the other side, completely eliminate my monthly expenses for housing, and it allowed me to save a ton of money while growing my real estate portfolio to now, as you saw on the Graham Stephan Show, 30 units with 8 under construction. However, I do want to explain that we've only covered 20 of my properties here with the explanation that we had a duplex series showing you complete ground up process of how I think from the ground up all the way to the end of the structure. So we got a lot of great content that is already edited, ready to go for you. So be patient, and I'm also going to do a video on how much my properties make from this point, so that way you can literally see my portfolio explode. When we started this entire channel, our portfolio was right around 5.3 million. And now, as you saw on the Graham Stephan Show, it has grown over $11 million. Today's video is about a very good friend of mine, Mr. Kevin Blaylock. Kevin's out-of-the-box thinking has led to tremendous success. He does anything from spec homes and subdivisions, developing and building entire subdivisions, and going across the country to California and building amazing houses either on a hill in an amazing spot of land, and he really turns out amazing profits with amazing projects. I'd also like to let you know that, and I'll explain it a little bit more in the video, but he is now one of my newest partners, and we are going to be doing some projects together, and I can't wait to share all those details with you right here on the channel. Not only is Kevin an amazing businessman, but he's also an amazing person. He's a true inspiration, and literally talking to him, me and Kayla are like, he's doing all the things that we would love to do. We would love to be a part of a California house. We would love to be a part of a subdivision as crazy as this. But, you know, gotta take it one step at a time. And I really do think that he is going to help out tremendously in my future, as well as I'll be able to help him in his future. So when it all comes down to it, he's a true inspiration. I think you're gonna very much enjoy the content that we have for you. So without further ado, let's get into it. So here we are at this amazing subdivision. Now, it doesn't look like much, but when you're into new construction, you realize how much just the planning, the zoning, all of the easement hearings, the roads, the pads, the infrastructure, oh, it's just so much. And he has got all of that ready to go. And in the event that we can figure out a way to make this deal work between the two of us, I get to just kind of jump in after all of the hard work to get to the really fun stuff, which is the builds. As you can see right here is one of his model homes that we are actually going to take a tour of and show you how truly beautiful his construction is and how the houses are going to come out as they go. They start out at $210,000 and go to about $250,000, and you can even buy a lot in here for just $35,000 because he's trying to get the subdivision going to get that excitement out there. Here we are at this absolutely gorgeous spec house that doesn't have a whole lot of spec to do with it. It is truly a custom home that he finds a way to fit into his model. As you can see, his building model is absolutely gorgeous. He's got brick archways, beautiful beams, and real wood cabinets, which is something you don't find down here very often. Every builder is using pressed wood, the cheapest materials, just to get the job done so they can make the most profit. Kevin and me are very similar to where we want our customers to have an amazing value. He even goes the extra mile to put the beautiful trim on top of the windows to really dress up his properties. I don't know about you, but I really love his brick archways, his spacious rooms, and his attention to detail. And on this custom patio home, someone is going to get an amazing back patio that they are going to be very proud of. This massive outdoor cooking area is something that anybody would be absolutely thrilled to have. And as you can see, now he's at the fun part of the project where all the infrastructure is done and he's able to build these beautiful spec homes and make his customers raving fans of his contract work. Check out this amazing property. So as you can see, as I pan around this entire project, understand this entire project is 122 acres with the lot breakdown to be able to build 220 homes. When you take that 220 lots and multiply it by the average home cost of $250,000, that is how you get the $55 million subdivision that he created from a tract of land, all the infrastructure, a little hard work, a lot of know-how, and he's gonna make an amazing profit. Just in infrastructure alone, he has $5 million from the dirt, the infrastructure as far as like zoning, city hearings, civil engineering, asphalt, the $1 million pump station, as well as all of the other odds and ends that you have to do to actually be able to develop a subdivision. So here's the next home that he's actually allowing us to tour, and this is the home that truly sold me on the idea of partnering with him. Check out this spacious living room and kitchen. This kitchen is so spacious and full of cabinet space as well as counter space. It is truly a beautiful sight to see. This oversized laundry room is fantastic for people to be able to take care of their laundry as well as their household. When I'm talking about value, I'm talking about things like he did in this bathroom. This beautiful tub and shower combo, and even though it probably cost him an extra $5,000 of his profit, it will help the house move very quickly. Look at this spacious closet. You don't see closets like this, you don't see finishes like this, and you don't see bathrooms like this in what you would call a spec home. Just check out the beautiful bathroom that he has made for his customers. It is truly a work of art. Now keep in mind, when you do a spec house, you don't want to put those crazy outdoor areas. So I did show you that in the other house, but keep in mind, to keep your profits in line, that is something that you do for your model home to show people what can be done, but you don't want to do that on backyards because that will cost you most of your profit. He has owned this property for 6 years now and started to develop it just 2 years ago. Now he is starting to see the fruits of his labor, and the infrastructure is all done, and now he's able to do the best part, to get these houses built, to be able to make his return back, and all of that sweet, sweet profit that we talked about earlier. The average build cost per square foot to these homes are $84 and $94 per foot, and that does not include the land cost. The target sales price that will be sold for is anywhere from $130 a foot to $140 a foot, and that of course be including the land and everything. Total sales prices will be right around $210,000 to $250,000 and up, depending on if they want the outdoor kitchens, if they want some extra finishes, or just anything that they'd like to add on to the home itself. The dollar price tag for these homes are absolutely amazing, and I cannot wait to see how the subdivision progresses, whether I'm a partner with it or not. Wow, $13 million when this entire beautiful project is complete. Now, there is a lot of work to do, and there's only a few homes up right now, but he's finally done with all of the infrastructure. He's finally done with all of the brain damage from the city. He's finally done with getting that crazy sewage plant complete to be able to service all of these amazing homes. When it comes down to it, now that he has the ability to make so much money, you also got to take into account all the other things that he does when it comes to that out-of-the-box thinking, such as the amazing California homes that he has allowed me to talk about. When it comes down to it, he will find an old house on the hill add 1,500, 500, or 2,000 square feet to it, make it absolutely breathtaking, and turn another quick $1 million profit on those as well. He has very generously offered for me to be able to be part of that as well. I'm going to tell you, we're definitely going to be looking into it because you never know. Maybe Graham wants to come down and video one of those if we're in his neck of the woods. And Kevin has impressed me so very much that we've actually decided to partner. Me and Kevin are actually going to be going into the spec home business together, as well as I've got some future projects with you that I think you're going to very much enjoy. When it all comes down to it, me and Kevin have now agreed to do one spec house for sure and hold another 4 lots in case we like the process together. Our total profit to be made is going to be $45,000 to $40,000 depending on the extra finishes we do in the house. When it all comes down to it, my biggest goal is to make sure the house sells fast and our customer gets the absolute best value with none of the building pain. That's it for the video, guys. If you enjoy videos like this, please power up that like button to over 13 million. You know, just absolutely destroy that thing till you get to 13 million. Don't you think we can? Anyway, after that, please also hit the subscribe button. We would love for you to subscribe to our channel, and please share this out with your friends. With the influx of new people, I expect this channel to grow even faster, and I very, very much appreciate it because we love to share our message of brand new construction and all of those amazing builds and purchases that we're doing all the time for our viewers. Also, please hit the notification bell. We post every single Wednesday and Friday. And comment anything you liked out of this video or anything you'd like to see in future videos. Also, I very much appreciate all of your constructive criticism on fixing the audio and just the general setup and length of these videos. Thank you so very much because the way you've brought it to my attention, I very much want to adapt that as quickly as possible. Thank you guys. I hope you have a fantastic afternoon and I will see you on the next one.